Hey, this is Joe Martin. I'm the head of marketing over here at Zight, and I'm using Zight to record this video on how to actually make video quality better. You'll find 10 simple ways here, and then also a big guide with a whole bunch of bonus things that include information on lighting, video to choose, information on Zight, how you can record your screen, like I'm doing here with your face in the corner, talking to a document or something. And then when I finish this, it's going to give me a link of this video and I'll be able to share that wherever I need to. So go ahead and check out this blog post on ways to make your video quality better for work and also social media and other things you may use video for. And then also make sure to give Zight a try. You'll be able to download it for free and it gives you a great way to record your face talking to something or also you can just record yourself full screen as well. So go ahead and take a look at the blog post. Thanks for visiting and give Zyte a try. Thanks.